Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a shipping progress bar block in your Shopify checkout page. I will show you one example here. So this is a shipping bar progress block I have created in the checkout page. So if you need to create such block, follow this video completely without skipping. A quick note that this kind of customization will be available only for the Shopify Plus members. Let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. For setting this up, I'm using Checkout Ninja Customizer app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box so you can check it out. So after installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Create Advanced Block. Now you can just click on Create Checkout Block. There will be some default template on different blocks here. You can just keep it closed and add a new block. Since we are adding a shipping progress bar, I'm just adding this shipping progress bar to the checkout. Now first thing you have to give is a proper title so that you can just easily identify this from the list of block. I'm just giving shipping progress bar itself as the title. Now we can just give any amount that we are planning to give for the minimum order value for which this free shipping is qualified for. Let's give 150 here. So the customers has to purchase at least 150 for enabling the free shipping. And next the message in progress, like what are the messages that you have to show for this free shipping to be achieved. Like if the user is not added a 150 amount, then you can just say to add this much more to get the free shipping. If the current value, like the if the user has purchased more than 150, then we can just go for a success message. So the success message we can give any, like I'm just giving awesome, you are now qualified for the free shipping. And the appearance and advanced styling, we can just go for any kind, like we have multiple options here: progress bar color or bar size, text size. Like this we can just give any as our wish. So I'm just adding progress bar color as success and base progress bar size as base and text size as minimum and padding as base and just element spacing as loose. So I have added all my details. I'm making the status as active and then I'm saving it. Now I will be getting a block ID from here. I will copy this and you can just open the checkout editor. Now we have to add our custom block to the checkout. So I have added this, so it will pass for the block ID. So I have to paste the block ID here. Now you can see that our progress bar block has been created successfully here. I have already added one, so I'm not planning to add one more. So I'm just keeping disabled or I'm deleting it. So I'm just going through the app section. I can just place this block wherever I want by dragging this like this. So you can just place this over anywhere in your Shopify checkout page. Since it's more suitable in the order summary section, I have added this to the order summary. So after adding all this, you can just save it. And now let's test this up in our online store. So my minimum I have created is for minimum amount for enabling the free shipping, which I have configured for $100. So you can see that our success message has been showing here. Now let's try with another product which is below 100. So this is cost only $88. Let's try to buy it. So you can see that the progress, it's out of 100 we have added only $88. So $12 more for need to unlock our free shipping. That message has been shown here. So that's how you can just create a shipping progress bar block in your Shopify checkout page easily. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.